Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to explain how I created a card layout using Flexbox and CSS Grid. First, I added an array of colors that will be used as the background color for each card. Next, I built a reusable card component and passed the background color in as a prop. To style the layout, I used Flexbox to arrange the elements in a column. For the cards, I utilized CSS Grid to create a 4-column layout. As a final step, I made the card layout responsive by adjusting the number of columns based on the screen size. Thank you for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions.